Some places are defined by what they possess. Others are defined by what they produce. And though Botswana is known across the world for her magnificent ethically sourced diamonds, breathtaking landscape, and extraordinary wildlife, the one story that still needs to be told is that of her greatest treasures, her people. And this is one of the many stories of Botswana. My story. Dumelang Botswana. My name is Michelle Ramotshwarapula, proudly carrying the story of Botswana from the village of Mahalapye to the world stage. So there's a very community that has shaped my values, my resilience, and my understanding of the importance of staying true to who I am and shamelessly being proud of where I come from. I find myself wearing so many hats, one of which I am completely proud of being a graduate geological engineer from the Botswana International University of Science and Technology. Transitioning into the industry post-graduation was not exactly the friendliest. I am one person who sees opportunity where other people see limitation. So that propelled me into the direction of entrepreneurship. And it is with that very platform that I use to encourage women to tap into their creativity and make a living out of their hands, and boosting their confidence in believing in themselves and what they can achieve when they put themselves out there. If entrusted with this platform, I will use mentorship and skills development to help young people move from just having dreams to having the confidence and the tools to pursue them. Because I understand that sometimes the bridge between reality and a dream is access. I am Michelle Ramotshwarapula, a woman of purpose, shaped by the values of the land that raised me and guided by a purpose bigger than myself.